How to enable sound effect in Encode. If you have been using the Encode application and wondering on how to enable sound effects on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto settings at the top right corner, right here. Select it. Now here you can find sound effects right here onto the general section. Now to enable it, simply tap onto this button right here, just like this. And by doing that, you have simply turned on the sound effects. And that's it. This is how you can enable sound effect into the Encode app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.